Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily change or customize the Opera browser app icon on your iPhone or iPad. Personalizing your iPhone or iPad goes beyond wallpapers and widgets. It's also about making your apps match your style. If you use the Opera browser, you'll be glad to know that it offers a pretty handy built-in option to let you customize its app icon without needing any third-party shortcut. So whether you prefer a minimal look or something bold and colorful, changing the Opera icon is a quick way to give your home screen a fresh and unique vibe. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to load the Opera browser app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to hit the menu button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that you have to choose the settings icon in the menu. Then you have to choose the app icon option. And finally you have to select the preferred app icon and you're all set. Since there is a variety of app icons to pick from, you can experiment to your heart's liking and choose the one that matches your taste better. You should see a confirmation prompt reading you have changed the icon for Opera. Now make sure to tap on the OK option to finish, and that's all there is to it. It's worth pointing out that the change takes effect immediately. That means you don't have to restart the browser for the app icon to change its appearance. Customizing the Opera browser app icon is a pretty simple yet effective way to make your iOS device or iPadOS device feel more personal and visually appealing. With just a few taps, you can switch between different styles and better match your home screen aesthetic. It's a small change, but one that adds a nice touch of individuality to your everyday browsing experience. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.